I just wanted to see, like, have you guys like work on it a bit. So if you didn't finish, that's okay. So for this one, okay, again, what we want to do, we want to subtract them. So of course we have to get the LCD. Now for the first one, we can factor that, right? We've seen how to factor it. We have x minus 4 times x plus 4, as you can see, right? X squared minus 16 is this. When you factor it, it's a difference of 2 squares. For this one, right, what we have is x squared minus 7x plus 12. So we want two numbers whose product is 12, but the sum is negative 7. As you can see here, how about negative 4 and negative 3, right? I mean, here it probably should have been negative 4 and negative 3. Let me just fix that quickly. There we go. And so we get negative 4 and negative 3, right? And so we factor it to get this. Okay, like that. So from here, okay, so we get our irreducible factors, right? We have x minus 4, we have x plus 4, we also have x minus 3, as you can see. Okay. Now, from here, okay, we need the exponents. Well, x minus 4 has an exponent of 1. This one also has an exponent of 1. So the greatest exponent is just 1. X plus 4, right? There's only one exponent, 1. X minus 3, there's only one exponent, 1. And so we get this. All right. So that tells us the LCD is x minus 4 to the first times x plus 4 to the first times x minus 3 to the first. Wait, did I? Oh, okay. For some reason, I thought I skipped the slide by mistake. So anyway, what we get is this. But again, what we have to do is we must manipulate, right? That is, we have to make it so that the denominators here both equal the LCD. So we did factor those already, right? Now here, as you can see, we're missing x minus 3. So we have to multiply by that. But whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top, remember? And that's what I'm doing here. Down here, same idea. Except now we're missing x plus 4, right? So we multiply the bottom by that and the top by that as well. And so we end up with this. And so, just like before, we have to multiply, right? 2x squared minus 6x. From here we multiply, but again, we have a minus, so I use parentheses here. Okay, good. Okay. So what happens next? Well, we have 2x squared minus 6 times x minus this, which is 2x squared plus x, right? Minus 28. Okay, I thought I made a mistake, but I didn't. So we get 2x squared minus 6 times x minus 2x squared minus x plus 28. And you can see there's some cancellation, right? The 2x squares cancel. Minus 6 times x minus x, right? That's minus 7x. And we have the plus 28 there. Okay, that's great. Now, can we simplify? Well, notice the numerator is not quite factored, right? It's not quite factored. What do we do? Well, let's factor out negative 7. And can we do that? Well, yeah, negative 7 is a factor of 28. As you can see, we factor out negative 7. And what we get is negative 7 times x minus 4. And why is that? Not sure why that negative 14 is there. Let me just fix that. Okay. I think before I had a miss. There we go. I think before there was a mistake that had negative 14. I thought I fixed it, but I was wrong. But I fixed it now. All right. So from here, now, how do we get from here to here? Well, notice that a factor cancels, right? Namely, the top and bottom, sorry, I meant to get the pen. The top and bottom here, they cancel. So by canceling, we get negative 7 over x plus 4 times x minus 3. And now that problem is finished. And we have like a minute left, it looks like. I don't want to start another problem. Any questions on this?